All right, here's the deal. You can only move one match to create a square.
One.
Just one match. It's totally doable. Just think about it. I mean, it's very doable.
I don't see how. No, it's not doable.
Yeah, it is doable. It's one of those things you overthink it.
Because if you move one, so I could go here, right?
Yeah, you move one
But
match.
I need to move that one to make the square.
Only move one match.
That's a.
You see it, Alyssa? You see how it has done?
Nope.
Nope. It's a riddle. I know.
It's a riddle. All right. No. Yeah. All right. So one match to create a square. So okay. So
I'm moving all of them.
I know. Leave me alone.
You follow simple instructions.
Ah.
You'll never get this.
Hold on. Can I break the
Is that
match?
one you want?
Can I break the match?
No, you can't break
I
the
could
match.
break it and do like right here,
No,
baby
no,
square.
no, you can't do that.
Okay.
Is that the one you're locked in on that one?
No, it could be any of them. I mean, it could be.
Well, there's just one of them.
I could do like.
Just move one.
Hold on a second. So we got one match here. So one match. That's not working. It don't matter which one I move. I move this one here is the same
Does
as
it matter or does it not?
And you've seen this. This can't be
I know it can
done.
be done. Yes, you're overthinking it. I'm telling you.
You got a hint?
Yeah.
Ooh, hold on. Here we go. We got.
Get in here, Tyler. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna move this one match, and there's the square
Right
right in the middle. You see it?
Oh.
It's the baby square inside of it.
It's a square in the middle of
It's
them.
right there. The baby
Right
square.
square in the middle.
I think if he would have said a baby square, I would have known
No,
that.
I just said you create a square. That is
Congratulations, folks. You just wasted 3 or 4 minutes here on time. That's a riddle.